Hello and welcome to pdfsupply.com. Today we're going to be testing an IC697BEM733. I have one here. This is a remote I/O scanner, and as you can see, it's in the place where I would typically have a processor. That's because this is actually target 2 instead of target 1. Target 1 is what you would normally see with a chain of racks. But this is something where for extended I/O. So, BEM733, I have this in an IC697CHS750 5-slot rack, which is empty. And it's being powered by an IC697 PWR711. So, let me tell you a little bit about what I've got going on here physically. First, there's a terminal that you would typically see on a BEM731. Also have one on a BEM733. The top two screws closest to the left are serial 1 and serial 2, and I have a 150 ohm resistor in between those for this test so that I don't have noise. And I've also got this cable, which is an AS693232 SNP programming cable. And then the other end of this, of course, is going to the serial port on the back of the computer. And then we have this handheld monitor port is open at the moment. I've got it powered up. The LED indicating that the module OK is on. You got to make sure that this is on before you start the test, otherwise there's a problem with the BEM733 right from the start and you won't be able to follow us. So if that is the case, that is something that we do actually look at here and we repair commonly. We offer exchange programs, new and remanufactured units, and we have same-day shipping. So you see if it's at pdfsupply.com if that interests you. So where it gets a little bit more complicated, I'm in Proficy Machine Edition, and what I need to do is establish a target 2. So I've opened up a blank file, and this is for test purpose. I'm calling it BEM733 test for your information. Under the tab Project, you want to click Project. You'll see Add Target. Click Add Target, and then another window will pop up, and you want to click GE Intelligent Platforms Remote I/O, and then another tab will pop open. It says Series 9070 Genius. So you want to click that. So there's 3 windows are going to pop open. You have to select that. And when you've done that, you'll have in the navigator bar target 2 pop up. And then target 2, I'm in main rack, and I've selected the same configuration in the software that you see physically here. Power supply, BEM733, and rack, which is otherwise empty. All right, so I have this physically configured. The first thing I want to do is connect up to this using Proficy Machine Edition. All right, and I've done that. So I hit the lightning bolt, connect up, I get the handprint, and then I click on the handprint and the 2 triangles pointing to the left pop up. That's as far as you can get. Reason I do that is because it takes me online with this device. Then I'm able to hit Target. If I go to Target, I go to Online Commands. There's 2 functions I want to look at here. First is Show Status. I want to know that it sees this device as what it really is. So I hit Show Status, and it says that it's a BEM733, in fact, and that its firmware version is 3.07. That's referring to the EEPROM revision that's on the back of the board that you can't see. Right? So then I know that it sees it as the device it's supposed to be. And the next thing I'll do is clear hardware configuration, clear controller fault and I/O table fault. I do that because if there is a problem with it, we want to start there. The second thing I'm going to do, that's pretty simple, is using an IC690 HHM501 handheld monitor, GE Fanuc Genius. I'm going to plug into the handheld monitor port. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing here. I'm going to turn this on. Click OK. F2, analyze. F3, blocked bus status. So what I'm looking for here is that there is some reference, and there's a the 3.7 referring to the chips that I was describing before, and that there's no forces and no faults. All right. And kind of like the BEM731, what I'm going to do is unplug this, and I'm going to show you that if you were plugged in and there was a problem, you'd go through that same test, hit analyze, block bus status, and you wouldn't see anything at all. It would just say searching bus, and it's going to continue to search bus because there's nothing there if that's not working. So same thing, if that isn't working, or you're unable to connect to this device and see what it really is to the Proficy Machine Edition, there's likely an issue with the BEM733, and again, it's something that we do repair here and look at. We offer exchange programs, new and remanufactured, and we offer same-day shipping. So if that's something that interests you, please see us at pdfsupply.com. Thank you.